Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple illusion on Scratch. First, create a project, and then make a new sprite, and draw a rectangle, and then color it in. It can always be better, not like this random one. Let's just finish coloring it. Okay, so now go to events, drag out the when flag clipped, drag out the forever, and drag 2 change color effect by 25 into forever, and change the first one by 5, and change the real effect by 20, and change it into the real, and then set it to 25. So now I think we can set the size a little bigger. Let's drag it, and we're gonna test it. It works. You made an illusion. Now you just gotta focus on the middle. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.